everyone, welcome to week 2. So as usual, you'll go to your modules and click on week 2, and you will see it pretty much follows the same pattern as the first week. You will have readings for part 1, which is about college success, and if you click on that, you will see the readings. There are 4 readings, and one thing that we will be focusing this week would be on using the library, which is an important part of being a college student, and also about public speaking and class presentations. So you do the readings, and then you take the quiz, and then you do the mindful moment reflection like last time, and then there is an assignment, just very simple, going to the library database and searching for something. And then we are doing this understanding and developing a growth mindset. So you're going to watch the video, take notes, and then do the assignment. Okay? So that's pretty much what you're going to submit your notes as well as write a reflection that addresses these questions. So you definitely need to submit both. Make sure you do that, because only then you get full credit for that assignment. Now, all these are due by Thursday as usual, which is July 16th. And then part 2 is on communication. Once again, you have readings, and then you have the reading quiz. You have a very simple assignment of emailing your professor. So you can either email me or you can email another professor. Whatever you are going to do is fine. If you're going to send it to another professor, make sure you do a screenshot and then send me the screenshot in the assignment. Do not email me the screenshot, but just do it here. And then there are 2 other assignments. This is the Holland Code assignment, which is important to get to know your interest. Like, what is your personality? Where do you fit in? So watch this video by a counselor, and then watch another video where the counselor, Maureen, explains this assignment. Okay? So that'll help you to understand what is this Holland Code assignment. And then you have to do the Exploring Your Career, which is going to this website, and then do an assessment. Complete the assessment part, and just follow the instructions. All right? And here is where you get the information about how to set up an account for Focus 2, and then you just follow the instructions and you should be able to complete this assignment. So that's pretty much for week 2. This is important that you do both, particularly the Holland Code and Exploring Your Career, because when you kind of make an appointment with our class counselor, Mr. Todd Jones, he will be able to review this with you. So it's important you complete that. All right, so that is pretty much week 2.